Hello. I want to make this quick video about how to get ZBrush working on Linux. I have it working on Linux and I use it on Linux. So here's my tips. I used to use Play on Linux to set it up, but you don't really need to. You just need a terminal and it's faster. This is my recommended way to install it if you are using Ubuntu. This page shows how to install it using Arch. I found I ran into a problem using Arch Linux. Anyway, you need to install Wine and you need to install Winetricks. Basically, sudo apt install Winetricks. Now let's assume you have both. You need to run only a few commands really to start ZBrush. So one of them is WineArch Windows 64 and wine prefix and like specifying the location. Let me show you here the command I wrote. So yeah, this is a command. This is the first command. This is the location of the wine bottle. This is the architecture, 64-bit. This is just to run the config. This is the first command, and you set the config to. Let me show you. You set the config to Windows 10. This is the first thing. Second thing, I do add these. I'm not sure if they are necessary, but I did add them. You just type them here and type enter. Make sure it's the correct types, the correct spelling. These I actually copied and pasted them. So after you do these two steps, you run this command, but you run it this way. So you have the wine bottle location. This is the wine bottle location, and this is how you run the command. Run it, let it run, and you press enter just like in Windows, or continue or OK. It just installs few important libraries for ZBrush beside the core font. So now we've done these three steps. This is just to set Windows 10, and this is to add these. Now what you want to do is so basically now what you have to do is to run. You have to specify the wine bottle. If you did not specify the wine bottle, typing this command will default to the default bottle. You can do it without having your own bottle, like a specific bottle in the main branch, but it's recommended this way. So after you have that, you have to install ZBrush. You basically type this command and then the directory where is the installer. After you install the ZBrush, you can run it this way. Where is it? So this is probably command C drive. Yeah, you can run it this way. So when there is a space like this, you have to either type an escape character, or you have to put it between these called bracket. I don't know what it's called. So just type this. ZBrush should launch. Wait, is this the correct? Oh, no. No, it's not the correct command. It's not the correct command. This is is the correct command. You have to specify the bottle. Yeah, this is ZBrush working on Linux. Ooh, let me open something for you. And the tablet works perfectly too for me. It's embedded on the Linux kernel, the Wacom tablet driver. For a different tablet, I don't know. Yeah, you can sculpt now on Linux. Yeah. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, drop it in the comment below. I'll try to add all the links on the thing in the description. So yeah, goodbye.